This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description. So in this video, we're talking about the 3 shades of red food coloring that we use the most: red red, tulip or no taste red, and super red. And so you can see if you're looking for a really nice cherry fire engine red, this super red is a nice one to have on hand. It gives you a great, bright, brilliant shade, and you notice that we used all of these the same amount. So it was 1 ounce of buttercream and we mixed 1 drop of food coloring in. And this one gave us a much more intense shade. If you're looking to blend more subtle tones, I actually often blend the red red and the tulip red together. The red red is a nice kind of cool tone red, and it gives us a nice intense shade without feeling overpowering. And the tulip red is a little bit warmer, so almost a little bit orangey. And this one is also important because if you're worried about the added taste that red food coloring can often leave behind, the tulip one is a good one to use. And I find that mixing these two will give me a nice, beautiful shade of red without having too much flavor because I'm mixing the tulip and the red red. And sometimes I even end up blending all 3, and having these 3 on hand can allow you to mix a variety of different tones of red, whether they be warm or cool, that have different values to them, and it can be a handy thing to have in your toolkit to have multiple shades of red. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.